Hello everyone, this is TinyBin. Today I want to show you another important feature in TinyBin Daz Content Manager, DUF Scene File Analysis. This feature can help you to filter the products used in a scene. In other words, this feature can tell you which products are included in a scene. I have already created a simple scene here. A girl with a hair, a dress, a pair of shoes, and a tree beside her. First, you need to save the scene. Save as Scene. Test scene. Switch back to TinyBin Daz Content Manager in Utilities, DUF Scene File Analysis. Click Select button and select the scene we just saved. And click Start Analyze. The analysis process is quick, and you can see the products used in the scene are listed here. And if there are some products that cannot be analyzed, the unidentified files will be listed here. And next, you can copy product list and paste this list in criteria and click Search. So these products are filtered under Install tab. But if you installed these products in several content paths, you have to switch among them. And what you can do next, for example, if I want to change the material of this dress, let's switch to Content Library tab. Select the dress, right-click, jump to DazStudio Content Library, and select the material I want to change, double-click. So you will find out how convenient it will be. Thank you for watching. Please visit my Patreon to download the application and learn more about the TinyBin Daz Content Manager.